Welcome to Folded, Creased, and Crumpled. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
For those new to your channel, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications. And also, don't forget to comment. I'd love to hear from you. Today we have dun 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 cloth and paper unboxing. This is what I'm always excited about. I've been holding on to this one for quite some time, guys. So be excited with me. So I'm gonna open it up, and as per usual, I promise I will link everything down below so you can check it out. Woo! This is cute. So they always come with like a cardstock piece of paper that you can write on. It's called the Penspiration sheet. So it's called Pen Test sheet. Oh, this one's slightly different. So it's kind of a postcard material, as you can see. It's got a cute little design on it. And then it says, a look at what inspired the pens for this month's box. Oh, so what you see here, let me do it again. So you see all the pictures there? That's what inspired them for this month's box. So I'm gonna let Anna, can you see it a little bit?
I can, yes, thank you.
Perfect. So that way she knows what's going on. Poor girl, stuck at home. She should be here having fun with me. So I'm opening. See, you hear this rip? That means I have not opened it. Restraint, I tell you, restraint. Ah, pens in boxes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it looks like it has a refill. So it always comes in a plastic package like this. And they always, I'm gonna open it up. And it comes also with a plastic envelope. Oh, it's usually in the plastic envelope. But I guess not. I can definitely use this though. I can think of multiple reasons to use this. But for now, I'm going to take these one by one. So the first one I'm going to take out is this one. It's called Pilot Juice. It's a 0.5 millimeter brown pen. This is interesting.
Brown?
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
I don't think I've ever used a brown pen before.
Neither have I. So here is that, and then it's called Pilot Juice. Sorry, my hands are shaky. It always has a nib at the bottom, so I'm going to try this out, test it out, see how I like it. I'll let you know. And what I'm testing it out on, I know is not the Penspiration sheet. I'm actually writing it on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So here we go. I'm gonna write my favorite word.
Aloha!
Okay. It's pretty interesting. Can you see it? Sorry, I'm gonna try. So yeah, it just writes like a normal pen, to be honest. There's nothing really unique about it. It just doesn't, the flow, it's a thinner pen. So what I mean by that is just like, it doesn't have the thickness, even though it's 0.5 millimeter. I usually picture it to be a little bit, like the ink to come out a little bit thicker than it really does. So I don't love pens that come out where the ink comes out a little bit thinner. That's just not my taste. I know a lot of people like them, but this one, I mean, the brown's nice. I mean, it's legit a chocolate brown color. It's really pretty. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I really like this. I don't mind it, I say. And then the next one, Anna, which one should I get? Which one should I take out? Can you see them?
The striped one.
Oh, just got taste. All right. So the striped one here. Okay, I'm just like really unorganized today. Don't know why. So the striped one here is M and G. M as in Mary and G as in George, 0.5 millimeters. So I've never heard of this brand before. And it's a black pen. So I'll show you. It's cool though. I like the look of it. It's really neat looking. Okay. It's, let's see. I need to clean my house tomorrow. So again, I'm writing it on 8.5 11 paper, regular paper. And I'm just gonna write under the other one. Okay, this one I like. It writes a little thicker than the other one. So I will show you. It's weird. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's how they make the point of the pen. Even though it's 0.5 millimeter, this one, even though it looks the same as the brown one, it's still like writes different to me. I don't know what it is, but I will show you.
So could that be the ink that's affecting it, or do you think it's strictly the point of the pen?
I think it's strictly point to the pen.
Okay.
Like I feel like if you, I don't know how close I can get, but I feel like the other pen was more of a point. Like it's almost like they shaved down the point a little bit more.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I don't know. It could just be a Tina thing. You know, it's just what I feel when I write. So that could be it too. So that's another one. So that's really pretty. Okay, this one I'm really interested in for multiple reasons. Because I saw this little nub right here. The back, the rubber of the pen. So I have a feeling that this pen is an erasable pen. So here it is. It's green. It's called Magic Color, 0.38 millimeter. And it's unique. It's a unique looking pen. I've never seen a pen like this. It's just, you know, just something. Hey, I've already talked about it. I always like the look of the pen and then how it writes. So I'll give you the full view. Oh, actually, let's do it this way. That way you can see the whole coolness of this pen. Right? Super cool. So, okay. So you pull down, so I thought you had to push down, but you don't. It's from the side where the clip is. So you push down where the clip is. Let's see. This is cool. Okay. So let's get rid of the nub. So 0.38, that means it's going to be a smaller point, but that doesn't mean it's bad. So let's try it.
I don't know, or do you like the finer tip?
I don't, it writes like a pencil. It doesn't feel like I'm writing, it's a pen, because you could tell it's a pen, but the text, like when I'm writing, how it writes out, the flow, it feels like I'm writing with a pencil, and a mechanical pencil. It doesn't feel like a regular pencil.
Lead.
Yeah. Let me see if I can erase it. Yeah, it's erasable. Okay, so let me show you first the Aloha part. Sorry. And the nub. And then I got rid of the H and A. So then you got alo. See, it erases it. And it erases it pretty well. You can't really see it. Okay. I don't hate it. It's just I guess my initial reaction when I first saw it, I thought it's going to write, you know, like a regular pen. But it feels like I was writing with a pencil. It's still cool though. I would still use this. And then I have two more pens. So this one, It's super cool. I think it looks super cool. And so my initial reaction is that I think it's a marker. It doesn't look like a pen, but the exterior of it is pretty sleek. I don't know. It's just like a clear blue plastic pen, you know? It's made by M&G again. No, I made that up. OS? DS. It's made by DS. Never heard of that company. Truthfully, I can read some of the Cantonese that's on there, but I don't want to butcher it. So I'm not going to read it, but in English it's DS. So I never heard of the company. It's a 0.5 millimeter, so I will, I guess, give you a more clear view. It just looks pretty cool. I'm going to open it. Oh! Okay. It's a needlepoint pen. It's a needlepoint pen. I love needlepoint pens. Oh my gosh. So if you've never seen any of my other videos, a needlepoint pen is this point. I'm gonna write with this and see what it feels like, but I can already tell you it's gonna feel amazing. Oh, okay, I was right, it feels amazing. But guys, this color, it's a blue hue color. It's almost, it writes like a teal, but it's more of a blue than a green. It's actually quite interesting. You can see here. See it? It's more of like, it almost looks the same as the pen that I wrote, the erasable pen. Interesting, interesting. I love the color, and you know for sure this is already my favorite pen. So I saved the best for last. I wouldn't say it's the best. I actually don't know if this is the best. But I got, okay, this is really cool. So I saved the best for last. Again, I'm not sure if this is the best, but it's pretty cool. From what I can see, it comes with a cartridge, and it looks like the cartridge for calligraphy pens, the ones that I used to work on when I was little. And it comes with this white pen, so you just stick the cartridge in there. Okay, so let's see if you could, oh, let's see. Actually, I'll do sideways, it's better. You can see the pen. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm nervous because I haven't worked with a calligraphy pen in years. My mom bought me a set when I think I was 17, 18, around there. I might have been younger or older. No, I'm pretty sure I was younger. But I've always been into calligraphy, so I'm hoping that, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's stunning. And I have not used this word stunning in quite some time. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Okay. God. All right.
Are you gonna get emotional, Tina?
No, I'm not gonna get emotional. I don't need you to judge me. Check this out. Like, this is so beautiful. Okay. Look at this gold shimmery. Oh. Okay. I don't even know. I'm speechless right now. So basically, I have to put this cartridge in there, and it looks like it's going to be also a green or a teal color. So you just kind of unscrew it, and then I don't know how to put this in. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to get ink all over me, so I'm gonna figure it out, and then I'll show you. But right now, because it's different from when I was a kid. Because when I was a kid, you just kind of, they had like a needle point that came up from above, like the from the barrel. It was just like a needle, and then you poke the cartridge into the needle, and that's it. It automatically flows down into the barrel here, and you'll see all the ink in there. But now it's like, what, 20 years later? I don't even know how many years later, and
Are there instructions in the box?
No, there's no instructions at all, Anna. Like, there's nothing. It doesn't show you how to do it. I'll figure it out. That's what Google and YouTube is for, right? I will figure it out, and then what I'll do is I will do kind of like an edit, and I'll insert. As promised, here's how you insert the cartridge into the fountain pen. First off, you unscrew the base of the fountain pen. Then you pull the security piece out. Then you insert the cartridge. Make sure you hear a pop sound. And then you just take the base and screw it back on. And already you can quickly see that the green ink is flowing downwards towards the nib. It's actually a really beautiful green. Look at that. Look at that gold shimmer on that baby. Put the cap on just to show you. The pen's not that big. It's actually a small compact pen. And then the security piece, you can just throw it out. It was just there to kind of keep the, I guess, there's a needle that pops the cartridge, so I guess that's what it's there for, to protect it. And then I grabbed a notebook, and I, of course, had to write my favorite word, aloha. And I can honestly say it writes very nicely. You can't even tell you're writing, you can't even tell you're using a fountain pen. It feels like a regular 0.5 millimeter pen. This has been a very, very good day for me. I'm really excited about this, and it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'm so excited. Thank you for tuning in. And again, please like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications. Anna, am I missing anything else?
No, thank you so much for setting all this up. And I can't wait till we can actually film face to face again.
Thank you, everybody.